Let's talk about representation in children's books. Representation refers to the way that ideas, identities, events, or experiences are shown in stories. One way to talk about representation in children's books is to talk about windows, mirrors, and sliding glass doors. In 1990, Rudine Sims Bishop wrote that children's books are sometimes mirrors, stories in which readers can see themselves. Children's books can also be windows into the realities of others. Those windows can be sliding glass doors that allow us to walk right into whatever world has been created or recreated by the author. Decades later, Bishop's idea of mirrors, windows, and sliding glass doors is still being shared. It's important that all kids see both themselves and others represented in books. Let's discuss. Have you ever read a book that felt like a mirror to you or your life? Have you ever read a book that let you peek in the window of someone with a different experience than you? What's something about you or your life that you'd like to see represented in a book? Happy reading!